Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple face mask. All you need is a piece of fabric if you have some lying around, or you could even use an old t-shirt, that would work great. It would help if the fabric has a bit of stretch, but don't worry if it doesn't, it works just as fine. Your piece of fabric needs to be 5 inches by 18 inches, and you need two little strips like this. They could be about a quarter of an inch thick. So we're going to start with first folding the big piece in half like this. Once we folded it, we're going to take the edges and do a little fold on top. Don't worry about having to sew this because it's going to be really simple. I'm not doing anything complicated. Okay, so now I've folded it like this. Once you've folded your fabric, we're gonna take our needle with some thread. Yeah, make sure the thread has a knot at the end. It's very important. And we're just going to push it through like this and do a simple running stitch. All we're going to do is go in and out, in and out, like that. We're going to do this all the way till the end. As you're doing this, make sure you pull the thread a little so as to create a slight crinkle. You can do it as you go or at the end, it works. Either way. Okay. In and out, that's pretty easy, yeah? Okay, as you come to the end, there, you can see the fabric has a nice fold all along. You don't want to make it too close. Make sure that it has some space. And then we're going to secure it. Just go in and out and a knot. That's it. Okay, so now you're going to have something that looks like this. We're going to start with taking one of our strips. Mine has a little bit of stretch. If yours doesn't, it's okay. You just need to probably use a longer piece of fabric. I'm going to make a little knot once and then twice, like that. Oops, it came out. Once and then twice, yeah. Make sure it's nice and secure. So pull it. So now this little excess I'm going to trim, and you have a little loop like that. I'm going to place this loop along one edge. You can hide the knot, and we're going to start with doing the exact same stitch again. I have knotted my thread at the end, and I'm going to do my running stitch along the edge like that. You don't need the crinkle on this side, so make sure you pull the fabric as you stitch. Just go in and out, in and out. All the way to the bottom. Oops. Make sure your string is tucked in as you go. And when you come to the end, secure it with a knot. There you go. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and you're going to be left with this. There you go, simple DIY mask. Let me know if you make one, I'd love to see. Bye.